Welcome, beloved souls. This is Stargate Soul Intuitive. I'm the Archangel Messenger. Today's video is the season of light. And this is your angel's message. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are becoming. The angels ask you today to release what your heart no longer needs to carry. This year has been very heavy, but it has also made you stronger, made you wiser, and more open to love. So breathe. Let the old soften, and let the love and the light return. What you're stepping into carries more peace than you expect, more healing than you imagined, and more love than you thought was ever possible. You are guided. You are held. The light walks with you. As you enter this season of light, this healing space, bringing peace, hope, the angels remind you, you are becoming. And say this affirmation as often as needed today. Throughout the coming days, I release what no longer serves me. I welcome peace, healing, and new light. My heart is ready for the next chapter, and so it is. Don't forget, if this has touched your soul, don't forget to leave a like, follow, subscribe, share, as maybe share this with a heart who possibly needs this today. And come back for more angel messages, healing, and spiritual guidance. And so it is. Bye.